Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and I have a little project. And for this little project, let's make sure that's clean. It's always nice to make sure there's no nasty stuff in my containers, and even when I think they're completely clean, it's best to wipe them out. So I'm going to make a scoop container, let's call it, by adding Anita's black metallic, which is pretty gray. And this is sort of an experiment on top of an experiment that I have to say I wasn't super thrilled with working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, before I shovel anything, I'm either going to take my basting brush, or, assuming I haven't completely hidden it on myself, my threek. Let's try the threek first. Let's just go through there, see if that makes a difference. And it's beautiful. I don't know if it's going to make any difference when we try and scoop it up or not. And if I like the way this is working, I'll probably add more colors and or whatever I want. I'll do whatever I want. Gee, that's a novel idea, right? So here comes the big bad. How many times did I try and make that work? I don't know, but it wasn't happening. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of that. I'm not going to worry about where it doesn't mark. I am just going to keep wiping off the bottom. And I could tilt this. And I'm going to keep wiping off the bottom of my little scoop. I'm going to even try and let some paint go over the side. I have a bug in my ear. That's not a good thing. Alright, so this is kind of fun. I haven't used up all my paint, and my fork marks are kind of cool still. Let's go this way. It's kind of a novel idea for me to use that elaborate thing as a background, but why not? Because otherwise it's sort of a waste. I think I like the black and white enough so that I'm going to have to do some more, or some tipping. Maybe we'll tip and see what happens. It's a lot different. I think I'm going to have to mix some more paint. I don't want to put that down there. How fast can I do it? I think I can do it pretty fast. I think I'm going to put some Anita's white metallic in there this time. And what else do I want? I might want some purple. Ha! Because I can. The name of my book under Show More on the Amazon link. And where is the black that I just had? There, put it away. Right through the middle, and the same thing with the white again, right through the middle. And where's my fork? There it is. Let's just give it some character. I'll wipe my fork off before it dries on the tines and go back in here. Yeah, the purple's pretty subtle and I'm not minding it a bit. It's a dark, dark, dark purple. If you use a container to add scoops of paint from, you need to just let the paint relax. You know what? I think I'm going to take a moment and see what happens if we tip some of that. I might hate it, but I might like it. I also think there's already been a fork in there. I just dipped it right in my paint. I don't know how that'd work. Let's try that again. Oh, you know what? I kind of like that. And I can pull whatever I want as long as it doesn't suck. Let's grab some more paint. I don't know if this will be the first of many, but it's definitely a first of something. Got all kinds of cool little cells happening. I really don't mind how much of that background I cover up because I'm not super thrilled with it. I made this container out of, I think it was a nail clipper box. And so long as that background stays a background, I'm pretty happy that it's there. It's not bothering me anymore. This is really the first time I've tried anything remotely like this before. So you're witnessing a first. And I know I'm not the only person who likes black and white. The sun just came out. It was kind of overcast earlier. And as soon as the sun comes out, all the moisture goes crazy. I need a bamboo skewer to drag a few things out. Because I can. The name of my book on the Amazon link. That's pretty cool. Not sure about that yet. It's not bad. Throw a few waggles in there. It's not hurting anything. It's pretty different. I have some beautiful magenta that I'm thinking I might just want to allow myself the pleasure of adding. That little bit of purple did not bother me a bit. I'm going to let any paint that's coming down just go right over the side. And I'm going to go in here and pull or drag a few things wherever I want them. And then I'm going to think about chain. I don't know if I'm going to get past thinking about it, but I'm going to think about it. I like adding textures. It's extraordinary. I don't know if that's a good thing or not right now. I really want to add that magenta. Let's see what happens. I could be sorry about this. I might not be sorry at all. Yeah, that's not actually bothering me. Yet. I'm quiet because I'm trying to figure this out, and what? I don't know, and I want to say I don't want to go overboard, but it's already so far overboard that I can't say it can't be rescued, because I kind of like what's going on, but I'm not sure how it's going to turn out yet. It's going to be very different, and that's for sure. I'm kind of being called to some orange. Keep dragging my skewer. There's some steampunk fantasy activity going on here I'm unaware of. So if you think of a good name, let me know. I like that magenta, but I don't like the fact that it dotted my black right there, which makes me want to go ahead and find my black and see if I want to add anything anywhere. Really? Yeah, I think I can do that. Let's see what else I want to do. Maybe that was not something I wanted to do as badly as I thought I might. But I can always roll my skewer and whatever. I'm kind of liking the things going on in the background now. They don't really go over the edge of the canvas, but they're still pretty cool. Oops. Still being called to orange. Mostly because I like that magenta color and the orange together. I kind of wonder if maybe I need some white dots. I don't think I need any more gold. It's a very surreal piece. Yeah, that's kind of working better than I thought it was going to work. Using the flat end of the bamboo skewer to pull things out. Add some funky texture. It'll be very interesting trying to torch this, because there's not a lot of torchability. I think I'm almost done, in fact, so I might as well start now, knowing that in a couple of minutes I'll be telling you to shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you if you want to help me out. And if you're interested in helping me out, giving me a thumbs up is high on my list of things that you could do to help me out, so I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. It tells the YouTube algorithm where to place my videos so more people can see them, and we have almost 75,000 subscribers now, assuming I ever show this to anyone. But I kind of like what the white pearl did while I was in there, and I don't think I can go too far. This is just a spectacular, weird thing, and it's not hurting my feelings at all. I need to continue to play with it. So let's see if dots are helpful. I think dots might be helpful if I can be fast and not make a mess of them. Yeah, I like them. They will probably spread out. Maybe some black ones, maybe some magenta ones. That's kind of neat. I really do like that. So I'm going to give that a black center. I think. I'm going to give that one last. Yeah, that's not bothering me. Okay, so this is a really strange thing. And I'm going to put a little black in my container. And I'm going to use it to add a little dot of black inside my dots that are pretty wet. Spread a couple things out. I don't think I can do that. I can use any and all of the paint in my little container to complete patterns or dot things if I can get it to, yes, come off. Let's just keep making that happen since I muffed it. I think I need to wipe off a skewer if I want any more of that. I think I'm also pretty well done. She says as she adds yet another set of dots. So maybe, just maybe, I should torch in a minute. No, I like that over there. All of that. Wow, I used 17 minutes. So I should tell you what I was trying to tell you when I got distracted, which is pretty easy to happen. I have clothing below the video. I have stuff on my Amazon link that's below the video that'll take you to the omelet turning spatula. Best paint spreading tool around, bar none. Amazing. Pretty much, if I could guarantee it, I would. Everybody's been so super psyched about it. I recommend it highly. I could probably put a little more magenta in, and I really never did add the orange I was talking about. And I like those spikes coming out of there so much. I'm not minding adding more. I wonder if there are enough. Pretty sure there are enough. And I love you guys. There's almost 75,000 of you, and there may actually be 75,000 of you. Yes, I'm stealing paint and adding a few dots more. Please give me a thumbs up and help me with the YouTube algorithm, and the more videos you watch, and you can find them all on the end screens of the last 20 seconds of this video, along with a contest that will get you into any monthly drawing for a painting. Yes, I like that. That was better. I'm sorry, I'm ultimately distracted, but I like what I've got, and it's pretty cool, and I'm going to torch to release any bubbles that are caught in the paint, and maybe even release a few patterns. And tell you guys, I love your comments, and I appreciate your donations. You've kept me painting since April 2018, and I really appreciate it. This is a bizarre piece, but I like bizarre things, so I probably won't be the only one. That's our timer, saying I've got 1 minute left to say whatever I'm going to say, and then I'm going to be evicted. Because that's when my camera stops anyway. So I'm going to just keep torching for the last minute and say I give classes, I sell my art, I have a website on the end screens. If you want to talk to me, that's a great way to do it. I told you about the playlist. I have Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter underneath. Show more underneath the description of the video, along with my paint pouring recipe. And should you happen to go there, you will find those things. Thank you guys for keeping me going, and thank you for the morale boosts. And if I notice a few more things that have to be fixed, you'll forgive me. It's par for the course, isn't it? Yeah, I think I like the way the spatula drags things through, as well as the bamboo skewer. So take care, y'all. I'll see you soon. Go binge on some videos. I love you very much. Bye now. Priscilla out. I know, you'll be gone in a second. I'm good. I'm really good. Am I good? I could add another little bit of pink. It'll be okay.